Hi everyone, welcome to Foot Fun Craft Kiddos. Today we'll be making a pop-up card. It's like a panda's holding, and when you open it, it says a message you want inside. Now let's dun, fold it, but don't fold it all the way. Fold your paper so you have a good idea where the middle is. Now we have the corners. We put it in the middle, like from the line you made, you bring the corners and yeah, like what Rose is doing. Next, do the exact same thing on the other side. Now it's harder to rip. Don't even bother.
I tried.
You won't be able to.
Look, I'm trying to rip.
Now we leave this part of the page to make the head, but don't go beyond the borders. Now we make the space for the panda's head. So now let's draw a line. Firmly put a pencil or a ruler, or I don't think that works, down. You should move the line up in here. Use this.
Tumblr post.
Fork time. Do not use a fork. Now got it going high.
Because that's how the fork is designed.
That's why I said don't use the fork. Okay, next you make a head.
Now you make a head like this.
Make more than half of the head. Now let's make
Panda ears.
Yeah, now let's make the ears. Then make them really wide.
And then color them in.
Not yet. Next, we make the face. Make a dot for the nose.
I'd rather put this.
Okay. Then, you know the old natural smile. One like two. It's like a W, but no point.
Real panda smile.
Okay, mine panda's mouth is open. Next, you make two egg-like bamboos. No, egg-like shapes for the eyes.
Some diagonal eggs. The left eye should be pointing to the left.
Something like that.
I'm gonna leave mine like Hero Brian.
Make two circles inside. They should be pretty small.
Mine's
and close
Hero
to
Brian.
the top of the egg.
Mine might be Hero Brian.
Yeah. Now we give it cheeks. Cute little LIL blushy cheeks.
Pandas don't have that.
Now, over here, leave a little space, like about 2 centimeters, and then make the arms.
I'm box mad.
Now do the exact same thing on the other side. Make an arm. Good. Next make another line over here for da box. Where the hand starts, we make another line for da box. Let me just my box.
Give me the brown tracer.
That's so professional. Now it's time to trace. Get a Sharpie.
An ultra fine point Sharpie.
You don't need an ultra fine. For now, you just trace it in. No need to color it.
Oh, this is so ultra fine point. Buy ultra fine point Sharpies in Walmart now.
The best quality. It's time for dot cutting. Cut the folds you made. Don't cut his hands. That's the only thing you should cut. The hands and the face. A trick is cut, but don't cut from the lines to make it perfect. Leave it, and at the end, when you're done with it all, it'll be easier. Now that we are done cutting, we will do the next part. Bring the bottom of the page over here where you made the line, like, yeah. And then tighten it to make sure it never opens. The line should be showing over down here, and there should be a box, and you open and close it like that. Then you take the hands and press them on, like he's holding it. Now let's color. Now let's make a pattern. I'm gonna draw a heart on the box. Now I will make a heart. And in the corner I'm gonna make an eye, then there's a heart, and then I'll make the letter U. A, B, C, D, E, F, G for toddlers. Har, 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 har. Decorate any way you want. Whatever your heart asks you to. Let's color their cheek.
Mine's a tear, so I'll color it cyan. I know! And that's just the shadow.
Be careful when you're writing, because like bro, he wrote Panda, then it was upside down. So he decided to make it the shadow.
Okay, now let me color the tear.
There's so many different shades!
So he's crying to save their life.
Now I will color the big heart. It's so big and right. Guys, look what it says inside. This panda is saying, subscribe, please. So listen to this poor little panda. They're endangered.
He's gonna die.
Animals.
He's gonna die any minute. So please subscribe for him.
For her sake.
Now let me write my message inside.
Please watch Perusian for me. Please, I don't want me and my family to die like this. It's too tragic. We have such a happy life. Pandas has been in this world for years. So please don't let their legacy end. And the penguins will be cuter than us. We're cuter than them. Penguins, if you're watching this, I'm cuter than you. What's your favorite animal? Write in the comments below. Get it? We don't have comments.
But write them in the Minecraft video comments.
Go on Instagram and tell us what
You think about it.
and what is your favorite animal. Hope you liked today's video. Please subscribe now and thank you.
Yeah.
Please and thank you.
So we can earn money to give to the Panda Foundation.
That's a lie. Will
Okay,
we?
it's a lie, but I want to. I want this video to get 1,000 likes before 10 days. Okay,
And YouTube says it's impossible to subscribe in 1 second.
So try it now. Bye.
Bye.
Pikachu, you have 1 millisecond to leave this video.
Pikachu, you mean? Bye, guys. How do you do this?